Hi guys, now currently we are at the Tianu, so we are actually planning to go to Milford Sound. However, during this period it is impossible to drive to Milford Sound due to the road erosion that happened earlier February. All the roads to the Milford Sound is closed. Only the tour bus and the tourist bus are allowed to drive to Milford Sound, and therefore there's one bucket list that I want to do is to do kayaking in New Zealand. Since I want to go to Milford Sound, so I think it's a good chance to book a kayaking tour. So tomorrow morning we will depart on Tianu with the tour bus. Yeah, hopefully the weather is good for tomorrow because these few days has been raining and it sucks. I don't want to miss this activity. Hopefully good weather. Alright, now inside my van, preparing some stuff for tomorrow's kayaking. And currently the weather now is raining. It's not heavy rain, but just a normal shower rain. Hopefully it will rain everything tonight and leave a weather dry tomorrow. So tomorrow kayaking will use a lot of energy, so I have to sleep early, rest well, and have fun tomorrow.
Right, do we have a ride?
Right.
Right, let's see you guys.
2%?
Yeah, 2? Yep. So we're just going to go straight in to catch the convoy at a place called the Holyford. But yeah, other than that, sit back, relax, enjoy the ride in Milford.
Yep, it's morning right now, and now we are on our way to Milford Sound. So the first convoy to go into Milford Sound is at 8 a.m. So here's all the tourist bus convoy. There's different timing to go into Milford Sound. So that's my bus, mini bus for kayaking. Yeah, we booked the Roscoe kayaking tour. So far so good. Good. Alright, so now we are at the Milford Sound kayaking. So after the briefing and the paperwork, we are ready to go down to the water. Let's go.
On your merry way.
Okay. Oh, right. This is our kayak.
Yeah, we are on the water now. That's cool.
So this is actually a fjord. So the difference is that this is carved out by glaciers. So a big body of ice moved through here thousands of years ago and carved out what we're seeing at the moment. So done a pretty good job. Not too bad at all.
So here's the waterfall. Awesome, nice waterfall. We're back.
Well done.
Thank you. Alright, I'm back. So I have ended my kayak trip at Milford Sound. Overall, the experience is amazing because you can see those beautiful views when you kayak. You can see the mountains, the waterfalls, everything just so amazing. Like you are kayaking inside into the nature. And then one best thing is the best way to avoid tourist crowds, because most of the tourists will be taking the boat cruise, so you can have the peace and the silence of enjoying the view. For our next stop will be Queenstown. So Queenstown will be doing some very exciting and thrilling activity. Just stay tuned and I will see you guys again.
We're gonna have a good time, dude. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Go!